Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a swift wire transfer using Wise, step by step. This guide is for complete beginners, even if you've never used Wise before. Important note, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not making a real transfer or linking a bank account. A swift wire transfer is an international bank transfer used to send money from one country to another through the SWIFT network. It's commonly used when sending money to traditional bank accounts, especially outside your country. Wise allows you to send SWIFT transfers with lower fees and better exchange rates compared to most banks. First, go to wise.com and create a free account. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Apple ID. Once logged in, you'll see the Wise dashboard. From here, you can send money, receive money, or check international transfer options. To start a Swift wire transfer, click on Send Money. Now enter the amount you want to send and select the currency. Wise automatically shows fees and exchange rates. Next, Wise will ask how the recipient should receive the money. Select Bank Transfer. If the recipient's bank requires it, Wise will use the SWIFT network to complete the transfer. Now enter the recipient's bank details. This usually includes recipient's full name, bank name, account number or IBAN, SWIFT or BIC code. These details are provided by the recipient's bank. For this video, I'm using sample details only. Before confirming, Wise clearly shows transfer fees, exchange rate, and estimated delivery time. This transparency is what makes Wise popular for international transfers. To complete a real transfer, Wise would ask for a payment method like a bank transfer, debit card, or balance. Since this is a demo, I'm stopping here. And that's how a Swift wire transfer with Wise works. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.